Hello everyone, before this video starts, well, actually this video already started, so I just want to thank everyone for 50 subscribers. Thanks so much. And thanks. And I just want to say that hopefully we can reach 100 subs, maybe sometime, in the next 2 months. And thanks again. Okay, in this video I'll be taking a look at the cheapest speed cubes right now, and I'll be using a website called Magic Cube Mall. This is a website that sells really cheap cubes, and yeah, let's get started on the first cube. Sheng Shou Mr.m. This cube is a magnetic cube. It's such a cheap price that comes up with $5. It performs really well. The corner cutting is good. The texture is actually different from a lot of the other cubes. Well, actually all of them. And it's actually easier to grip. So, very cute. Alright, so for this next cube is the Yuxin Little Magic. A lot of you guys have probably heard of this cube. It is one of the best speed cubes and one of the cheapest ones. Actually, it is the cheapest, $2.50. Corner cutting is good. Basically, it's just a good cube. I would highly recommend this cube. The Dayan Zhanchi is also really cheap on the Magic Cube Mall. Great cube. The Cyclone Boys, this one is a mini version, but the cube is really good.